You're looking at a 2018 Tesla Model S 100D dual motor, all electric, all-wheel drive, electric sedan with 39,000 miles. This car is in excellent condition. It comes fully loaded, including ABS, traction, stability control, alloy wheels, keyless entry. Plate numbers right here. Premium leather interior. Navigation. Backup sensors, backup camera. Air suspension. 39,159 is the exact miles. It also comes with enhanced autopilot. So upgrading to full self-driving would cost $9,000 versus the $15,000 that it is if you were to buy it straight. Sorry, I'm just trying to get you premium sound. Heated steering wheel, heated wipers, garage door opener, Bluetooth, obviously. This car is fully loaded. Gets about 320 miles at 100% charge. All weather mats. Storage under here. Power trunk. Rear vents. Absolutely no stories. Maybe one quick walk around. Panoramic roof. Again, it's only got 39,000 miles. If you're interested, please give us a call. Phone number is 508-921-0301. Again, that's 508-921-0301. Thank you.